Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is wistful. It's pronounced wistful, and it is spelt W-I-S-T-F-U-L. Think whist and full, but be careful. Full, in this case, is only spelt with one L. Wistful is an adjective, so it describes a noun. Wistful describes a sad feeling brought about by thinking about something that is impossible or in the past. It is unknown where our understanding of the word wistful actually came from. It may have come from an old adverb, wistly, meaning with close attention, or it could have come from the word wishful. However, we do know that wistful uses the suffix full, meaning full of or characterized by. Other words that use this suffix include beautiful, careful, thoughtful, and harmful. So, quite literally, the word wistful means full of whist. Maybe you can sit and think wistfully about the origin of the word wistful. Here's how you could use it in your day-to-day speech. If your friend is sad because they missed out on something fun that you did, you could describe them as wistful as they regret that they weren't there with you. Older people could be described as wistful when they think and reminisce about their youth. You might feel wistful when you finish watching your favorite movie and then remember that it's not real, even though you wish it was. Wistful is defined as having or showing a great feeling of vague or regretful longing. Its synonyms include regretful, nostalgic, yearning, longing, melancholy, sad, mournful, and forlorn. Antonyms include cheerful, joyful, happy, uncaring, unbothered, jolly, merry, joyous, and thrilled. Being wistful implies feelings of sadness. However, we should always try to focus on the happy side. Turn a wistful smile into a pleasantly nostalgic or reminiscent one. We'll talk about nostalgia and reminiscing another time. However, if you do see a friend or family member looking wistful and in a world of their own, go and ask them if they're okay. See if you can use this word today to describe a family member or friend. For example, if your sibling doesn't want to play with you and you end up having the best day ever, they might be wistful while you're telling them how much fun you had. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.